Sorry. Okay. Hi, I'm Danica. I'm from Guatemala. Don't worry, I'm going to speak in English and sing in English too. So we'll understand what I'm saying. This song is called My Last Request, and this was written for someone I care about a lot. And she was getting ready to lose her loved one, and she needed to put this into words that she could express because she was so frustrated. So here you go. God, I beg you, hear my prayer one more time. Just one touch from you, and you can make it alright. I cannot lose a more, dear God, please don't, no, not today. Why won't you pick another day? I've learned to love him, but I don't know how to say goodbye just yet. Don't wanna bet because I know that it's too soon to fast aside. We have so much left to live. It's true, we've had our ugly moments, but the good ones were so many more to say. Please don't take them all away. God, I ask you to please help me understand. I can't bear to think to walk without holding his hand. I know that I'm supposed to trust that you will do whatever's best, but please don't put me through this test. Just let me prove to you that after this my life won't be the same. I swear I'll change because I know that it's too soon to fast aside. We have so much left to live. It's true, we've had our ugly moments, but the good ones were so many more to say. Please don't take them all away. I'm done with promises I know I never kept. I'm done with second chances lost that I regret. But God, I beg you, make it this my last request, because I know that it's too soon to fast aside. We have so much left to live. It's true, we've had our ugly moments, but the good ones were so many more to say. Please don't take them home.